Bonchon. Yeah. We're at Bonchon. Thank you. First meal in Marikina at Bonchon. Hi everyone. I'm at Marikina. So one is sila. My host for today, Miss Avelina Lim. And we're at Bonchon. Okay. So, ano siya? So, while waiting, nag-vlog ko. Are here. So, ultimate bibimbap with soup, hangya shrimp. Okay. So, we're waiting for his sandwich. Mukbang. Oh, na-shakers mo doon sa taas. Na-shakers. So, we are at, asa tate?
Ayala Mall, Marikina Heights.
Ayala Mall, Marikina Heights. Paroting. This is actually my first meal in Marikina.
All together din with money kimchi.
After 100 years.
What are you talking about 100 years?
I've been here in Marikina before. Pero wala pa ni siya nga mall. So, dugay na jud kaayo kung nakabalik dire. Before, wala pa man yung mall. Just imagine, pila pa akong edad ato. So, I'm happy nga I'm back after how many years. Nagkaon ko diri sa Bonchon. My first official meal in Marikina. Oh, yung burger niya, chicken burger. Sa Bonchon. Di na siya maigo og wasate. Kani siya, di na siya maigo og wasate. So, mo no, pag anhin akong Marikina, si Undoy is gamay pa. Karon wa siya kanang Undoy, mga nakari na siya. We're back!